Mitra. So today we are going to study about the logarithm. So in the previous session we did what is log actually and how do we represent an exponential function into logarithmic function, and we saw how we can represent logarithm as exponent, right? Yeah. Okay, and now in this session, we are going to study some basic rules. These are not the complete rules, but these are few basic rules of logarithms. Okay, now you see that log base a x plus log base a y is nothing but log base a xy. Okay, it means when you have the bases same, then they are written as the product. So if you remember, when you are doing exponents, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, and we write it as a to the power of m plus n. So this is nothing but the same as exponents rule only. Got it? But it is written in logarithm form. Can you relate it? Okay, very good. Now you see the second rule is log base a x minus log base a y, which is nothing but log base a of x upon y. So if you remember the exponent ka rule, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n, right? Okay, so and here you have log base a x to the power of y, which is nothing but y log base a x. Is this clear to you? The three rules, these are the three basic rules. Is this clear to you? Okay, now we will look at some basic problems based on this. So let's say if your question is simplify, and it is log base 10 100. This is easy for you, right? What could be the answer for this? Means you have here base 10 and the answer is 100. So what power to the 10 you will give so that you get the answer as 100? Yeah, tell me the answer for this. Very good. Okay, now let's see another one. Suppose you have, let me clean this area. Okay, now suppose you have another one, 2 log base 4 64. Okay. Now, how can we simplify this? So, we will follow this rule here, right? So if you follow this rule here, see, this thing is written in form of this one, y log base a x, correct? Now following this rule, I will convert this into this form. So you will get log base 4 64 to the power of 2. Am I right? Okay, now we have to see that what power to the 4 will give me 64 square, right? Okay, so what we can do is, what is 64 square? See, no, wait. 64 square, and I have to write this as power of 4, correct? I have to write this as to the power of 4. This thing I have to fill, correct? So, if you look at this, what is 64 actually? 64, it is squared, है ना? So, I will not write it this way. I will write it this way. 64 can be written in form of 4. It is 4 to the power of 3 will give you 64, correct? So I have written 64 as base 4, and then this is squared. So you get 4 to the power of 6, which will be 64 squared. Okay, so your answer will be 6 here. Is this clear to you? Understood? Okay. Let's see one more question, a different kind. Now you have, uh, suppose you have another question as half log base 10 and 4. Okay, so following this rule, I can write it as log base 10 4 to the power of half. Am I right? Okay. Now, what we can do is, log base 10, and this is what? 4 to the power of 1 upon 2 is nothing but root 4. And you know that this value is root 4 is nothing but 2. Got it? So you can just simplify until here only, because we cannot get any number raised to the power 10 to the power of something which will give you the answer as 2. So we can, since this question is simplified, so you can stop it here. Okay, is this clear to you? Okay, now, okay, we will see one more question of this kind. Suppose now I take another question as 1 upon 4 log base 10 625. So following this rule, I will write this as log base 10 625 to the power of 1 upon 4. Correct? So we can write this as log base 10 and fourth root of 625. So what is fourth root of 625? Any idea? Hmm? It's okay. 25 times 25 is 625, right? So it is 5 squared, 5 squared. So fourth root is 5 here. Got it? Okay. So simple. We have simplified this also. Easy? Okay. Let's see another problem. Yeah. So 3 log base 10 3 over log base 10 27. Okay. So how can I write this now? Okay. Look here. Wait, I will tell you. This is 3 log base 10 3. This we can write in this form, right? So you will have log base 10 and 3 to the power of 3. Am I right? And then you have here log base 10, where 27 can also be written as 3 cubed, right? So both are same, we just cancel and get the answer as 1. Got it? Any doubt in this? No. Okay. So let's see one more problem of this kind. Now, log base 10 64 and log base 10 16. Okay, so how can we solve this now? Okay, what I will do, this is written, okay, we can write this in the power form, because here we can write base 4, here also I can write base 4. So we can write it as log base of 10 4 cubed, and log base of 10, this can be written as 4 squared, correct? Now I will write it in this form, and it will become 3 log base 10 ka 4 and 2 log base 10 4, right? So log base 10 4 log base 10 4 cancels, and you get 3 over 2. Is this clear? Okay. Yeah. So we will see one more question. uh, okay, so this is little different. um, log base of 10 root a upon 2 log base of 10 a. ठीक है. So what can we do? This thing first, this numerator we will convert it into this form, same as the denominator. So this is nothing but log base 10 a to the power of 1 over 2 upon 2 log base 10 of a. So this can be written as 1 over 2 log base 10 a, and here you have 2 log base 10 a. So this and this cancelled. So you will have here, what will be the answer? Can you tell now? Okay. 1 over 2 into 1 over 2, this will become reciprocal. That is 1 over 4. Is this clear to you? Everything? Any doubt? Okay. Now, okay, so you need to use your calculator. So we will do few more questions. Okay. So, your question is solve and give answer in uh, three significant figures. Okay. So, 4 to the power of x is equal to 50. Okay. Did you understand the question? So you have to find the value of x which will give you 50 when 4 is raised to some power, and that will give you 50. So we have to need what will be that power. Okay, so what we can do is we can first write it in that form. So it will be log basis 4 and the number is 50 and the power is x, right? So use your calculator and give me the value of this log base 450. 2.821. But here it says that answer has to be in three significant figure. So my answer will reduce to 2.82. Is this clear? Okay. Now we will do one similar kind of question. Okay. So let's say 9 one sec. 9 to the power of a is equal to 34. So what we can write? How can we do this? Base is 9. So log base is 9, the number is 34, and you have to find the value of a. Now tell me using your calculator. 1.60. Very good. This is already written in three significant figure. Okay, so we don't have to bother about this one. Okay, so we will do few more question based on this. Okay, now suppose 7 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals 6000. Okay, how can you solve this now? See, we write again this thing in the logarithm form. So you will write this as log base 7 of 6000 equals to x plus 1, right? And we have to find the value of x. So we will isolate it and see. You will get 2x plus 1 equals log base 7 6000. Just I'm rewriting it. And then 2x equals log base 7 6000 minus 1. So 2, you can say like this. Huh. X equals log base 7 6000 minus 1 over 2. Can you tell me the value of x now using your calculator? Hmm. 4.11. Did you do minus 1 and divide by 2 everything? Check it once again. Okay, let's do in parts. Log base 7 600. I'm sorry, this should be 6000. So I did a mistake here. Can you redo it? And then did you divide it by 2? Okay, what is log base 7 6000? Log base 7 6000 minus 1, right? 1.73, that's it? Okay, so your answer is 1.73. Is this clear? Okay, now we will see one more question. Hmm. Okay, now suppose your question is log base 5 x equals 6. So, what will be the value of x? Just write it in general terms. It will be x is equal to 6 to the power of 5, right? Yes. So, what will be the answer? Use your calculator. 6 to the power of 5 will give you 7776. I don't think so. I don't think so. Try it once again. Oh, I'm sorry. I wrote it wrong. It is base is 5, right? Base is 5, so it has to be 5 to the power of 6, correct? Yeah, 15,625. So be careful how I did one mistake here. Okay, yeah. So next time be careful. Okay. So we can do some more question. Okay, let's see one more question of this kind. Let's see. Log base 2b equals 5. So this is b equals 2 to the power of 5. So this so we know 2 to the power of 5. What will be the answer? B equals 2 to the power of 5 is simple 32, right? Okay. Huh. Now, okay. Okay, we will take another question. Okay. So, suppose now your question is 3 log base 10x equals log base 10 2. Okay, how can we do this? Yeah, think over it. Hmm. Okay. uh, we can do it like this, no? Log base x, base 10 x to the power of 3, right? And this is equal to log base 10 2. And now what can be done? Hmm. Okay, now you see here also you have log base 10, here also you have log base 10, so we can just write it x cube is equal to 2. Yes. Okay, so we have to find the value of x, not x cube. So what we will do, we have to make this one as x. So we can do one thing, x to the power of 3, you multiply 1 over 3, and because we have given the power 1 over 3 here, so we will put here as well. So this 3 and 3 cancel, so you get x, and this becomes 2 to the power of 1 over 3. Is this clear? Right? Okay, let's do one more question based on this. Okay, so you can also write this as cube root of 2. X is equal to cube root of 2. Okay, now let's do one more question. I will make this question as the last one. So, next question is 1 over 2 log base 10 x equals log base 10 6 minus 1. Okay, now first I will put them in same form. So I will change this log base 10 x to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to log base 10 6 minus 1. Okay, now tell me what is it that I can do here now? Hmm. Okay, I will tell you one thing. uh, First we write everything in the log ka form. Here you have 1, so this is I hope if you remember, log base a of a is 1. Following this rule, I will write 1 as log base 10 10. So this will be log base 10 x to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to log base 10 6 minus log base 10 and 10. Is this clear to you? Right? Okay. From here, you tell me what can be done then. Now, you see, if you follow this rule, this wala rule, so you can write it as log base 10 x to the power of 1 over 2 equals log base 10 6, or यहाँ पे भी हाँ, you can write it, one moment, 6 over 10, correct? So you have now log 10 cancels. So you have x to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to 6 over 10, right? Okay, now how to solve this? We are looking for the value of x. So what we can do is, to get x here, just multiply 2 here. Okay, and because we are multiplying 2 there, so we will multiply 2 here as well. So that 2 and 2 cancel, so you get x, which is nothing but 36 over 100, which is x is equal to 0.36, right? Okay, so you need to practice many more questions based on this. Okay, so we will see to include some more question in coming up session. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye.